Good afternoon, this is Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I have the pleasure of taking you through Sea Ray's 2019 19 SPX OB. This particular 19 SPX is equipped with a 115 Mercury XS Pro. Beautiful sun deck on the back of this one. All of the space underneath here is utilized for storage. Making our way through the transom, you notice the beautiful ivory interior. Everything on this boat will definitely be kept cool during Florida's hot sun, if you live down here with me in Florida. Nice captain's helm seat. At the helm we have the Fusion Bluetooth stereo, analog gauges, plenty of seating up here in the bow for 3. Fusion audio. If you'd like to take a closer look at this boat or any of our other models, you can reach me at 727-536-BOAT, or you can hit me on my personal cell phone, area code 803-760-0609. Once again, this is Vincent Martone, MarineMax Clearwater. Thanks.